mattress compress and roll packing production line is a set compression, heat sealing, packaging production equipment of a function. It can save the mattress transportation and storage space, reduce the cost. Compared with a similar equipment with more significant characteristics, customers can, according to their own needs, choose whether need to increase a full machine. After compress, fold it in half to package. The wrapping diameter is unlimited. It can, according to the mattress height, to adjust the package diameter. This can help manufacturers to solve the trouble of fixed diameter. Compared with a similar equipment with more significant characteristics, high production efficiency. Each mattress compression wrapping process only need 1 minute. Training cycle is short. The operation is simple, easy to ship production personnel, and the packaging of the products elegant. Equipment easy disassembly, convenient transportation.